Here you can see the door is unlocked, but it won't open. And from the inside, it's no better. The door still won't open. I lock it, and when I pull the inside handle, the lock pin pops up, but the door still doesn't open. I'm going to show you how I fixed this on a BMW 5 Series E39. This is the front right door, but it should be similar for the other doors. Hi and welcome to EnjoyWheels. As you can imagine, we're going to have to remove the interior door panel while the door is still closed. I just hope I don't damage the panel too much. On this car, there's only one screw holding the door panel in place, right here behind this screw cover. I remove the cover, then take out the screw. And to avoid damaging the wood trim, I remove it with a tool like this. There we go. Using the same tool, I pry the top of the panel away. Now I need to work it loose. Damn, it's tearing. I'll keep going. There, it's coming off. I'm pulling as hard as I can on the closing handle. Still nothing. By pushing from the inside with a long screwdriver, I was able to free it here. I keep pushing. There we go. I finally got it to move. If you have any tips to avoid damaging anything, feel free to leave them in the comments. Alright. Now there are some wires to disconnect. I unplug the window switch connector by pulling it out. There we go. Then there's the light underneath. Kind of tricky with one hand. Alright. The door panel is off. It's a bit damaged, but honestly it could have been worse. On the other side, the storage pocket is missing and some clips are broken. I didn't show it, but I unnecessarily removed this metal plate. I'm putting it back. Now, to remove the black foam behind it, you need to take out the airbag here. There are 4 bolts and 1 connector. As a precaution, you can wear safety glasses. This is a 10mm socket. Now the connector. Just pull it. Oh, a piece fell off. There's a small tab here. Next, I remove the speaker. 3 screws. And disconnect the connectors. I pull the first one, then release the tab on the second. And pull the foam back. No need to remove it completely. And you're not going to believe this, just by pulling the foam back, the door unlocked. Incredible. I'm still going to remove the latch assembly. There are 3 screws. I remove the first 2. And the third one is right here. Now the latch is completely free. I disconnect the cable. Here's a view of how the exterior handle cable attaches to the latch. Here's the latch itself. Since it's actually working, I'm just going to grease it. I didn't show it, but I also sprayed a lot of penetrating oil into it. Now it's time to reassemble everything. I reinstall this screw. I reattach the exterior handle cable. I'll show you again. I reconnect the plug. Push it upward. Actually, it works better without that screw, so I remove it again. Then I reinstall the 3 screws. I reposition the foam. I check that the exterior handle works properly. I reinstall the speaker. Then the airbag. Don't forget to reconnect it. I secure the loose piece with some tape so it won't fall again. Make sure nothing is left inside. Let me show you how to reinstall the interior handle. It's very important to place the cable sheath correctly into the plastic groove, otherwise the handle won't work. As you can tell, I had to remove the panel again to fix that. I reinstall the light at the bottom of the panel. I reconnect the window switch and test it. Everything works. Now I reinstall the door panel. I hope it holds since some clips are broken and I don't have replacements. After a few tries, it's holding. I secure the top. Reinstall the last screw. And put the screw cover back. Then I reinstall the trim piece. And I refit the airbag cover properly. Now my airbag warning light is on. That's because I turned the ignition on while the airbag was disconnected. I plug in my skin tool. There are fault codes. I clear them. Is the warning light still on? Nope, it's gone, so we're good. To finish up, let's make sure everything on the door is working properly. I hope you enjoyed this video or found it helpful. If you did, feel free to share it, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, or subscribe to the channel. See you soon on EnjoyWheels.